Addressing the recent road rage incidents and situations reported in various parts of the country, President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. calls on Filipinos to drive responsibly and with discipline. Mia Layagin returns for the story.
Serious road rage incidents in the country became rampant in the recent weeks, with some resulting to serious injuries and even death of some involved. Following this, President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. called on motorists to always practice safety, especially when they are on the road.
Pag maging kamote, masyado nang madami yata yan. Ang tatapang na natin lahat, siga lahat. Ano na ba ang kultura na ito na pagiging siga sa daan? Saan ba natin nakuha ito? Ano na bang nangyayari sa atin? At parang natural lang ang mga ganitong komprontasyon at karahasan.
In his recent BBM vlog, Marcos reminded motorists to always follow and strictly comply with the existing traffic and road policies and always be disciplined to avoid road rage incidents. Among the biggest road rage incident was the Antipolo shooting road rage, where road misunderstanding led to a shooting incident with one dead from the incident. Marcos noted that the driver license is a symbol of a motorist's responsibility to drive safely and to not cause or spark any dangerous incident that can be a risk to others' safety.
Lahat ay kailangan sumunod sa batas trapiko. Kailangan ang disiplina para maging responsableng mga Pilipino. Ang lisensya sa pagmamaneho ay isang pribilehiyo at hindi ito karapatan. At bukod sa dunong sa pagmamaneho, ang lahat ay kailangan ayusin ang pag-uugali sa pagmamaneho at habaan ang pasensya.
He also called on other motorists and the public to try and pacify an incident before it becomes more serious and take it as a part of their responsibility as road users to ensure safety and peace for their own welfare too.
Nawaan ko naman na kung minsan talaga nakakainit ulo ang mga traffic at kung minsan napapasabay tayo sa daan sa mga hindi sumusunod sa batas trapiko. Pasensya na lang, palampasin nyo na lang. Ano naman ang mawawala sa atin? 1 second, 5 seconds, 20 seconds, pagbigyan na natin.
This is Mia Layagin for EuroTV News.
Hi, this is Griza Lopez. Follow and tune in with our daily live newscast only on EuroTV News Threads official Facebook page. You may also catch us at Pinoy Extreme Cable Channel and on our other social media accounts. You may also visit our official website, eurotvph.com, for more news and information.